Welcome to Clarity, the Hearing Boutique. This video will guide you on how to clean your completely in the canal or CIC hearing aids. For senior citizens, we recommend a care provider to help your loved one through the process of cleaning. First off, identify a clean and secure tabletop and let's get started. To clean your hearing aid, you will need a microfiber cloth, the all-in-one brush, drying box or dehumidifier, wax guards. Step 1. Examine your hearing aid carefully to notice any dirt or wax that might have built up, particularly the speaker side that goes into your ear or the outer microphone side. Step 2. Use the microfiber cloth and rub off any dirt or wax collected on the body of the hearing aid, specifically the microphone openings or the speaker side that goes into the ear. We recommend you do this daily to avoid any buildup of wax. Step 3. Use the brush and gently brush off any remaining dust from the body of the hearing aid, both at the speaker side and the outer microphone side. We recommend using the brush once a week to avoid any wax or dirt buildup over time. Step 4. To extend the life of the hearing aid, we must ensure that no moisture collects inside your hearing aid. For this, we will use the drying box. If your instrument is battery powered, remove the battery. For this, you can use the magnetic side of the all-in-one brush. For rechargeable hearing aids, you need to ensure that your device is switched off. Next, insert the hearing aid into the drying box and let it stay overnight. We recommend this step every 2 to 3 weeks, but in humid areas or monsoon weather, once a week. Step 5. If you feel like too much wax has built up on your wax guard, you might need to replace the wax guard. For this, pick up the wax guard exchange tool. This tool has two sides, a removal side and the side with a new fresh wax guard, which will appear as a small white tip. We first use the removal side. Push this into the used wax guard on your hearing aid and carefully pull it out as shown. Now turn the tool around to use the side with the fresh wax guard and push the new wax guard into the speaker socket. We recommend a wax guard change every 3 to 4 weeks depending on the amount of wax and frequency of use. Your hearing aid is now clean and ready to be used. Regular care and maintenance of your hearing aid ensures a longer life and better output from your device. For any other concern, call us or visit us. We would be happy to serve you. Clarity. It's all about hearing.